Ladies and gentlemen, 100-meter men's semi-final. Dámy a páni, takže prvé semifinálne programy na 100 metrov mužov. In lane number 8, from Netherlands. In lane number 1, kraje číslo 1, from Poland, in lane number 2, from Croatia, kraje číslo 2, Slovácka, Toma Bastić. In lane number 3, from Great Britain and Netherlands, kraje číslo 3, Veľká Británia, Severná Irska, Toma Bastić. In lane number 4, from Czechia, kraje číslo 4, Česká POLUFINALE. In lane number 5, from Finland, kraje číslo 5, Finska, Toma Bastić. In lane number 6, from Italy, kraje číslo 6, Talianska, Pala. In lane number 7, from Denmark, kraje číslo 7, Banskoj Bystrici. In lane number 8, from Netherlands, kraje číslo 8, Holandska, svoj.
On your mark. Set.
In the second place, these two are first direct qualifying to final 10:51. In the third place from Finland, Toma Bastić. And the fourth place from Czech, Pojáček with 10:61. So these two, they will have to wait for a final and times they go to semi-final. So 10:45 in this semi-final, the winning prize goes to Toma Bastić from Great Britain. Francis Bala from Italy.